The brushback hairstyle has become very popular recently, so we at Lordhair are often asked which hair systems have a natural enough front hairline so that the hair can be fully brushed away to reveal the full front of the system and have it still look natural. Now, for these situations, we have a few suggestions. For lace, we suggest a system that has bleach knots in front. Some examples are S7s, the Q6, and the F27 Plus. Now, we would also suggest a thin skin base with a V-looped front, like the S22, the S1, and the S1V. If you have any other questions about hair systems or finding a hair system to match your hairstyle, you can contact us at support@lordhair.com, or you can visit our website at www.lordhair.com.
Lordhair, for a better you.